Alright, well, it's a chilly day out in November. Not freezing out here, but the problem I had earlier was definitely dirty fuel. I took the fuel I had and I ran it through a coffee filter. And you can see all the bits that came out in the coffee filter. So, all that little crud. And then I cleaned the needle out on this Enjomor because it was acting like it had a particle in it that was starving it. This one with fresh fuel started pretty much right up and ran for about 10 minutes here. But I have this bearing cap isn't lined up with the hole for the oiler, so I need to pop this off and get the hole lined up for the oiler, because you fill this cup with oil and it doesn't go into the bearing at all. But after 6 months of sitting, it was nice to get the Enjomors going again.